Eat
Hi
crumble
guys.
cookies.
Crumble
cookie.
Hi guys, time check. It's 9:54 p.m. na dito, and I'm craving crumble cookies. So I'm gonna order some, but they're all sleeping right now, so I'm gonna surprise them. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so let's go and order. So I have the crumble app. Let's just get milk chocolate chip, s'mores, strawberry one, this one, and this one. Let's do $10 tip, and yeah. Okay guys, so now I have the cookie and we're just gonna surprise them. They're still sleeping right now. Guys, let's make sure they can smell the cookie para magising sila. Amoy-amoyin nyo ang cookie. Cookie paggabi. Gusto nyo mo ng cookie paggabi? Cause I want cookie paggabi. Gising na kayo guys. I've been craving cookies the whole day. I've been craving cookies the whole day, and you guys.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, guys! Let's try it now. Let's open the box. Gusto mo mag-unbox of the pink box? Dito na.
Ah, sira na.
Hindi ka pakita.
Oh my god.
Teka, iayos mo. Oh my god, nasira!
Hala.
Oh, someone take a picture.
The picture na.
Ayan na.
The picture na yan.
Oh, it's sarap!
Hey guys, kahit po tago.
At yung picture, start.
Ano yun? Thumbnail, pang thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Hindi kita yung ano girl. Hindi kita yung...
Kain tayo. Okay,
Yes,
first.
first, ang titikman natin. Magre-rate tayo. Yan ang vlog natin. Yes. Magre-rate tayo.
Let's try the ano.
Kung ilang kung from 1 to 10.
10. Out of 10. We have another
Welcome
guest.
to our vlog.
Okay, may tayo sa bagong guest.
Let's
From
try
1
this
to 10.
one. First,
Rate
pink
na.
muna.
Flavor.
This is the pink one.
Anong flavor niyang pink?
I think that's
Di alam.
Strawberry
Strawberry
cheesecake.
Hindi. Meron tayong flake, be.
Walang ganun. Kuha ka platito, be. Bebe, huwag mo munang basagin. Kumuha kang platito.
Wala, sisiraan.
Kagatin mo na lang kasi.
Let's try it. Try natin.
ano yan? Nag-order kayo?
Sabay-sabay ba tayo?
Ordered.
Sabay-sabay tayo?
At mo si Imang
Ay,
dyan,
kuya,
be.
mahulog yung ano.
Be,
Tingnan ko po.
huwag masyadong malaki.
Mm.
Ay, di ko maputol. Let's try.
3.
Anong flavor nito?
Strawberry cheesecake?
Strawberry eme lang to.
Let's try this.
Ang sarap.
Nasaan plastic?
Kaya na-rate mo? From 1 to 10.
2.
Oh! 2 daw. O, ikaw.
Me? 3?
Ako,
Hindi ka nasasarapan. Hindi ka nasasarapan.
Ako,
3 out of 10.
ako 4.5.
Ang nasasarapan ako sa kanya yung
Oo.
pinaka...
Yung pinaka-cookie.
Cookie.
Pero
Hindi siya-
yung toppings
Kasi yung topic nila sa ano, strawberry.
Classic pink sugar.
Okay.
Next,
sense.
let's try this one.
Wait lang, di pa kami tapos.
Binipilit namin ubusin.
Vanilla bean cupcake.
Ipas mo muna.
This one.
Wait lang, ipas mo muna. Kumakain na kami.
Ah,
Pwede
hindi
mo
na.
lagay mo lang. Masusuya ka. Dami yan.
Malagay ako.
Dito.
Tingin mo
Wala
to.
mo naman siya.
Tingin mo to. Tingin mo to sa akin.
Hindi, konti lang ako. Vanilla?
Vanilla bean lang.
Ay,
What?
Nila Bean. Nila Bean.
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 B-E-A-N.
Ito, 9. Masarap siya. 9 out of 10.
It's so good.
I'll give it,
Try.
Ako 7.
I'll give it 7. Ay, hindi pala ako nakapag-rate sa pink. Wala.
sa sugar?
Ako, 4.
Dito, 3.5.
Nakot ka rin.
Pero dito sa
Dito, 9.
Nila Bean, ano ako, ang sarap. Wait,
That's
Ako,
a 10.
ako,
7.
ako dito 9.
This one is a 10 for me.
For me, 7.
For me, 6.
Why?
7. Okay, try na next one.
This
That
is
one
the
is...
the milk chocolate.
Milk
10 out of
chocolate
10.
chip.
Next, this one.
Oh.
Ay, wait lang.
Chocolate nut siya.
Ano mo?
Wait lang.
Wait lang, Barbie. Score mo.
Ako 9 out of 10.
Gusto ko dito.
Me, 9 out of 10 too.
Me
8
too.
out of 10.
9.
9.5.
Okay.
Wow.
This one is the waffle.
Oh.
Hindi, wait lang.
Kaputol lang.
Ito tayo.
Waffle?
Mm-hmm.
Ay, ano yun?
Ayoko yun.
Thank you.
I love it. For me,
It's too sweet for me.
this is
Ako?
10 out of 10.
10.
It's 10 out of 10 kasi hindi naman na sweets.
10 out of
It's
10.
too sweet.
No, it's not.
This
Did
one
you eat
is
this one?
Oh no.
the white,
I never tried it.
like custard.
The custard?
Ako din.
8 out of 10.
That was
Super
sweet.
sweet for me.
Eight. I'll give it an 8. That was ano.
S'mores.
What?
It's s'mores.
S'mores.
S'mores. Ang laki.
Baba ko.
Ikaw, ito na sa Shane. Go.
Ano, sila na yung s'mores.
Nasira na, Shane.
Bakit?
Nahulog, be.
Parang nalaman na ano pa.
Shane, no? Shane.
Nagit ako
Hey,
dyan.
maliit lang.
Ay, lagyan na yun.
Ako nagit ako may krabo ko. Akala ko kaya ano.
Sarap.
Kaya maya maya. Tawagin ko. Iwan yung bag dyan.
Bigyan mo sila ate ko, be.
Ha?
Ayan, tira.
Tikam lang ako.
Oh my goodness, it's too sweet.
And then,
I'd give it a 6. 6 out of 10.
it doesn't have
Ay,
marshmallow.
Ding-dong na lang ako.
Wala siyang marshmallow, be.
Marshmallow yun. O, yung mismong white.
Lasa
Marshmallow
siya
yun?
ano.
Yeah.
Uy, wait lang. May sauce kasi yung waffle.
Oo nga.
Hindi natin nilagay.
Ano bang
Pancake
waffle?
syrup.
Ayun.
This is the waffle.
Naging
Be, yun, strawberry na.
Okay.
Mga pa-sugar na tayo.
Strawberry. Kinakain ba itong brown?
No. That one is this strawberry short
Strawberry.
cake.
short cake.
Strawberry.
This yun, oh.
Tataas yata yung sugar ko later.
This is my 110 out of 10. Like for real. It is so delicious.
Kumain kayo.
Eh, ano mo kami? Pero kukunin na lang namin. Kamay na lang. Char. Go.
Kabayat.
Mhm.
Sobra. Diba?
Ano mo?
Ate, oh, tikman mo to. Sobrang sarap.
Ay, kimchi
Sabi.
sabi.
This is the Ate, come here.
Ang sarap. Tignan mo. Yan, hindi siya super tamis. Balance lang.
Super tamis ay.
Ba, hindi. Mas matamis yung
Be, ayoko,
s'mores.
napakalaki yan.
Hindi. Masasarapan ka, promise. Ako 110
Ang sarap. Yan ang pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat.
This is my favorite. The strawberry.
Strawberry canary.
Shortcake.
Yun ang pinaka-masarap sa lahat. I promise you all.
Sarap.
Asan na yung ano? Try natin yung ano? Tawag doon?
Syrup?
Ding dong.
Oo.
Ako ano?
Si syrup.
6 out of 10.
Wait na.
Asim.
For me, go. Laban.
Ilaban natin to.
For me, all the flavors, I don't want it.
Ayan. Kasi
OMG.
try naman
I
natin.
love this one. This
Let's try
strawberry
this one naman. Anong tawag dito? Milk chocolate.
chocolate.
Try natin din i-dip. Siyempre, dugyot tayo.
Sarap.
Parang trip ko sa lahat.
At saka yun.
Bewag naman sa kanin.
Ito,
Ito favorite ko. Strawberry.
favorite ko yung chocolate chip. That's it for today's vlog, guys.
That is for the name.
For overall flavor of the week, I would give it a 7 out of 10.
Drink your water, bitch.
Drink your water, bitch.
Hey, chibiri bambera.
Hindi siya tapos. Tapos na ang vlog to, makain ka pa.